Hello cupcakes and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing this Batjoker look. Let's get into the video. Already applied my bald cap and glued down my eyebrows, and I'm going to start covering the edge of this liquid latex bald cap and the liquid latex I laid down on it just with a little bit of a black green paint, and then I'm going to set that with translucent powder. I'm going on top of the bald cap and pretty much all over my body with the black body paint from Mehron. Since his suit is a latex suit, I'm going to be using some cream paints. I'm going in with the white cream paint, and I'm just tapping that into the black body paint with a fluffy brush. This is going to make sure the edges aren't too harsh, and it's going to make sure that the edges are nice and blurred out so you have a very nice gradient. Nice, nice, nice. How many times can I say nice? I'm going from a few different reference images that I found of him standing in different light sources, but I am pretty much going at whatever I really want, but except for I'm making sure that the front of the mask looks very realistic, as well as the bat symbol on the chest. But as for some of the shiny areas, I am pretty much just doing whatever I feel like doing and where to add those. If you don't have cream paints, you can definitely use white body paint instead, whatever works for you. I'm gonna start carving out where his cape is attached to his chest plate, that bat symbol, because he's wearing, you know, he's got his cape on, so I want to be able to showcase that cape, but also pretty much his entire suit is all black except for the bat symbol on the front. So this is just going to be trying to showcase different gradients of black, white, and gray, just to show off that cape and the difference between the cape and the suit, and then the front of his body armor where he has his abs and whatnot. To clean up some areas, I'm just taking some black body paint and just cleaning up the areas that I felt needed just a little bit of cleaning up, or maybe they just needed to be darker. And then with black eyeshadow, I'm just making the area underneath that cape attachment, just making that area a lot darker. With black body paint, I'm starting to draw out the bat symbol on the chest. Make sure to take your time with this so you can make sure to get everything nice and even. With black body paint, I'm filling in the bat symbol, and then with yellow body paint, I'm filling in the area outside of the bat symbol. With brown eyeshadow, I'm starting to make a shadow underneath that mask so that it gives the appearance that the mask is actually over top of my face, and that would definitely cast a darker shadow on the face. For the bat ears, I molded them with Model Magic, molded them to the side of my head, and then I painted them black and let them dry. After they dried, I'm just now putting some Prosaide on them and then attaching them to the side of my head, making sure that they're on nice and straight. They're still a little moldable, so I am bending them and making sure that they're nice and straight. It would be much easier to add the highlight when the ears are actually not on your head, so if you do this, I would definitely recommend doing painting them before you put them on your head, but I like to complicate things, so I'm adding the highlight on the ears right now, just so that you can see a highlight on them and they're not going to blend into my background. And if you just wanted to look like Batman, then here you go. And now we're moving on to Joker. For the area that's uncovered by the mask, I'm painting that white for Joker's face. Later on in the movie with Joker, his face does get a little bit of like cracked and worn down. So if you want, you can definitely leave some of that paint like missing in some areas. And then with red body paint, I'm gonna start drawing out his scars and then filling in some of the areas that are gonna be a lot thicker of the scar. If you have rigid collodion, you can definitely use this for this look. It would definitely be freaking awesome. However, I'm all out, so that's why I'm not using it. But with a little bit of red body paint on that fluffy brush from earlier, I'm just blending out some of those edges just to make it look very irritated and make it look a little bit like run down. To make the scar look pretty deep, what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of brown body paint and I'm just going along the sides of the scar, and this is going to make it appear a lot deeper, and that's what you're going to want for that scar. And that's all for this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!